Brainware University, located in Barasat, Kolkata, has received an overall rating of 4.5 from students on Shiksha.com. Let's explore the 3-year diploma program after 10th grade in engineering, starting with the placements rated 4.4 out of 5 stars. Diploma students received a highest package of 8 lakh per annum with an average of 5 lakh per annum. TCS, Adobe, Wipro and Amazon were some of the top recruiters for roles such as data analyst, software developer and junior engineer. The placement cell provides boot camps, mock interviews and pre-placement training. When compared to Techno India University, Brainware's average salary is far more competitive. However, some students found internship opportunities limited, with some opportunities available with companies such as TCS and many students opting for higher studies. Looking at the academics, the diploma in engineering is rated 4.5 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. It spans 3 years and offers 5 specializations. Admission requires 40% in class 10th and the Brainware entrance test, that is BET. The total fees is between 1.52 lakhs to 1.72 lakhs for the duration of 2 years. Hostel fees for the same duration vary based upon the room occupancy type from 3.7 to 5.5 lakh rupees. Scholarships are available based on merit and reserved categories. Now let's talk about the infrastructure rated 4.4 stars. Brainware University features a 9-acre campus with Wi-Fi, seminar halls, a central library and specialized labs for arenas like fluid mechanics and microwave and antenna. Hostel accommodations are available with double, single and 4 sharing rooms, and students appreciate the food options and hygienic canteen. The campus also offers extensive sports facilities like tennis, cricket, football, volleyball and badminton. Moving on now to faculty and course rated 4.6 stars. Faculty members are highly qualified and many holding PhDs and are known for being approachable and supportive. The curriculum includes webinars, workshops, seminars, industrial visits and more. A minimum attendance of 75% is required with a passing grade of 40%. Brainware University has partnership with organizations like TCS and Oracle India, providing research opportunities through the Center of Multidisciplinary Research and Innovations. Moving on now to the Campus Life, which has received a rating of 4.6 stars. The Campus Life features 4 student clubs and events like the annual fest Anand Dhara and the cultural and sports activities. Lastly, Brainware University is currently unranked as per the NIRF 2024 report. For more details on Brainware University, Barasat, Kolkata, and to explore thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We did like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.